Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a ultimate clean with me type of video. My house is a complete disaster. So going into it, I just haven't really been cleaning a whole lot. Yuri's had a stomach bug, she's been sick. So I haven't really had time to put stuff away. This is pretty much the mess. It's been getting pretty bad. So I'm going to try to do as much as I can before I actually have to get to work, because I do have to work this evening, and then I'm just in the process of baking a pie for whatever reason. I have that going on in the oven. So I'm just going to put some music on. I'm going to get cleaning. Kitchen is the main priority, and stay tuned.
Pushing the past again, oh. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down. We could have the world to ourselves, going to a place that's far, staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay.
Hi, Katie.
I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down.
Alright guys, that was it for this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!